Hey, Shane, Curtis Kelly here at Capo VW, and behind me is the car we've been talking about. Let me pull up a little bit here. This is the 2018 R-Line Tiguan. I'm going to show you some of the features on the car. So here we go. This is an R-Line on this particular Tiguan. It's going to be silk color. Naturally, it's going to have a sunroof, nice panoramic sunroof. Something else you get on the R-Line in the SEL would be navigation here, a nice large screen, 9-inch screen for you, and you're also going to have adaptive cruise control, power seat, along with Apple CarPlay. Another nice feature on this particular SEL, this is going to have sensors to help you navigate your parking. And I'm going to show you the rear hatch here in a minute. Could not open it because I left the keys in the car. So, give me a second, I'm going to grab those keys. As you can see, this car is on sale for $29,999. I think that's a saving well over $5,000 off the sticker. This is one of my remaining 2018s. And let me grab that key. Sorry, could not grab the key, but I did get it open. Here we go. And this one does not have a third row. And to close it, just push the button. Okay, Curtis over here, Capo VW. Give me a call if you have any questions about this car. And remember, it is a 2018 Tiguan SEL 4Motion. Thanks for watching my video.